Today I'm going to show you how to add keyframes in CapCut PC step by step so you can create smooth motion effects, zooms, position changes, and more. Keyframes are one of the most powerful tools in video editing because they let you control exactly how a clip moves or transforms over time. If you want your edits to look more professional and dynamic, learning this simple workflow is a must. And before we get into it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into CapCut on your PC. The first thing you want to do is open CapCut and either create a new project or open an existing one. If you're starting fresh, just choose New Project so you have a clean timeline to work with. If you already have a video edit in progress, you can open that project and continue from there. Next, import the video, image, or overlay that you want to animate. You can usually do this by clicking the import button or simply dragging your media into CapCut. Once your file is in the project, drag it down onto the timeline. This is important because keyframes only work on clips that are placed into your edit timeline. Now select the clip you want to animate. This tells CapCut exactly which element you want to control. You can use keyframes on video clips, images, overlays, and other elements depending on what you're editing. Once the clip is selected, look at your timeline and move the playhead to the exact moment where you want the animation to begin. This part is where the magic starts. With the playhead positioned at your starting point, click the diamond-shaped Add Keyframe button. In CapCut PC, this may appear in the preview window or on the right side editing panel, depending on the workspace layout and what element you have selected. When you click it, CapCut creates your first keyframe and saves the current position of that clip at that point in time. Now move the playhead forward to a new position in the timeline. This second position is where you want the animation to change. For example, maybe you want the clip to zoom in slowly, move across the screen, rotate, or fade slightly. Once you're at that new point, simply change the clip's properties like position, scale, rotation, opacity, or any other adjustable setting. The best part is that CapCut automatically adds a new keyframe when you change one of these properties. That means you do not have to manually create a new keyframe every single time. CapCut remembers the first state at the original keyframe and then it interpolates the movement between the 2 points. That smooth transition is what creates the animation. For example, if you want to make a zoom effect, set your first keyframe with the clip at normal size. Then move forward in the timeline and increase the scale. CapCut will create the motion between those 2 points automatically. If you want to animate movement, set one keyframe with the clip on the left side of the screen, then move forward and place it on the right side. CapCut will animate the motion across the screen for you. You can repeat this process as many times as needed. Add another keyframe, move forward, adjust the property again, and continue building your animation. This is how you create more advanced effects like bouncing motion, entrance animations, gradual rotation, or layered transitions. The more you practice, the easier it gets to control your edits with precision. If something doesn't look right, just scrub through the timeline and preview the motion. You can always click on the keyframes and adjust their placement or edit the properties again until the movement looks smooth. Small timing changes can make a big difference, so don't be afraid to fine-tune the animation, and that's really all there is to it. To add keyframes in CapCut PC, open your project, import your media, place it on the timeline, select the clip, move the playhead, click the Add Keyframe button, then move forward and change the clip's properties so CapCut creates the next keyframe automatically. Once you understand that workflow, you can use it to make your edits look way more polished and professional. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more CapCut PC tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.